everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing this amazing salad that's so easy and really delicious. Follow my channel if you're not following so you see lots of videos. The secret ingredients is bulgur. First of all, you have to cook it and just soak it just a bit and cook it the right way. In a hot pan, you put some butter and then add the bulgur. Go stirring all consistently. Then add some more water. You mix it and you close it with something that you have. Let's chop the ingredients. First, the cucumbers, 250 grams. 2 red bell peppers. And 250 grams of tomatoes. Then a half of an onion, really small chopped. Then some parsley. And anything you want else. When bulgur is done, you take it out of the heat and let it cool down. When it's cold, you can add all the ingredients in a bowl that you're gonna serve. The onions, and the parsley, a bit of salt and peppers. The juice of half of a lemon, like 3 or 4 tablespoons, and 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can leave 20 minutes the salad, or just serve it and eat it right away. This salad smells amazing and it's so easy to prepare. If you like this recipe, tell me in the commentaries which recipes should I do and follow my channel.